Hey everybody, welcome to another Marchintosh 2023 video. The month of March, we celebrate Marchintosh with anything to do with Macintosh computers. You've already seen my LC3 video, link in the description. You can see the LC3 right here. However, today is going to be a mini mail call because I got two packages in and I believe they are Macintosh related and I wanted to squeak them in just in time for Marchintosh. Sit back, relax, and let's jump right into it. First up, we got this purple package from Ron of Ron's Computer Videos. His channel link is down in the description. I have already got the package pre-cut, but I haven't looked inside yet, so let me go ahead and pull out what's inside the package. So far in the package were some stickers, so let me put those right here. We got Ron, more Ron, we've got Sad Mac, and more Ron. Let's zoom in on those stickers. Those are Ron's channel stickers. Pretty cool. Thank you, Ron, for the stickers. I love stickers. I can just get them centered here. Cool. So those are some stickers that were in the package from Ron. Let's see what else is inside. So inside of Ron's first purple package, and that sounds really bad to say that, but you can see it. It is a purple package. Was this purple package was inside of this purple package. So inside of this package was some of Ron's battery boards that he's been making. These are to replace, the Varda, the big, half-size AA batteries for Macs and other computers. So there's a close-up of the boards. And I'll bring up one here to the camera. Here's the small one. There's the front. And then on the back, here's the back. And then he's got all his social stuff there. And these are his version 2, as indicated by the V2 right there. He sent me two of the smaller ones. And then he's got this big double one here. Double the power. And then the back as well. Same, got his social links and things there. And along with the boards, he sent me parts to build these out. So let me get all this in the frame here. So we got those. We've got the battery holders. So there would be one here, one here, one, and one, and then also some switches. So let's see if we can zoom in on that there. Let's do this here, zooming in. So yeah, we got little mini switches. Got resistors. We got the battery holders. And now I've got a fun project to do to build up 4 of these. Pretty cool. So thank you, Ron, for that. And let's move on to the next package in my mini Marchintosh mail call. Next up, we have this box from Garth. Garth is the friend of the channel that sent me the Macintosh LC III you saw in my previous Marchintosh 2023 video. And I have an idea what's inside this box because handwritten on the back of it, it says thousands of colors with a smile face. So let me open this box real quick and we'll see what's inside. Upon opening the box, I was greeted with this big thing of bubble wrap. So far, not thousands of colors, and there weren't bees in the box, so that is awesome. Let me unwrap this bubble wrap and see what's inside the bubble wrap.
Put the gun down.
I saw you with the box. What was in the box?
Because I envy your normal life.
Put the gun down, David.
It seems that envy is my sin.
Oh, what's in the box?
An anti-static bag with an Apple branded VRAM chip. This is a 256 KB VRAM chip that I will be putting in my Macintosh LC III, bringing it up from the stock 512 KB of video RAM up to 768 KB, which will allow me to have thousands of colors, up from the 256 colors. So that will be awesome. Thank you, Garth, for this VRAM chip. Thank you once again for the LC3 computer. It's greatly appreciated. Ron of Ron's Computer Videos, thank you for the battery kits as well as the channel stickers. At this time, I'd like to give a quick shout out to my Patreon supporters. These are the folks that support me on Patreon, patreon.com/geek with social skills. Please be sure to check out the links in my description of friends of the channel, links to Garth, links to Ron. Also check out the hashtag MARCHintosh, yet a link for that in my description as well. So you can check out other amazing content related to the Apple Macintosh computer, celebrating all things Macintosh in the month of March. Stay safe, stay healthy, and we'll see you in the next video.